Hi friends, today I'm going to share you one of my story. Not big deal, but just a very small story. One day, my teacher invited me to have breakfast with him in a small restaurant. And after breakfast, we spent half an hour to relax and talk. So we talk about a lot of things to exchange knowledge, culture, and experience. And one of the most important questions he asked me that, what do you believe, or do you have any religion? And I just answered him that I believe that if I smile to someone and they will smile back to me, it means that if I do good things to other people and they will do good things back to me. Okay, and he was very happy to hear and to know about what I believe. But in my future, if some girl who I like asks me about what I believe, so I will answer her that I believe strongly that I love her.